today is Monday, eh? Yes. I want to tell you something, eh? We have good news. You want to hear? Yes. Aya. Today is Monday. Tomorrow? Tuesday. The day after tomorrow? Wednesday. The day after that day? Thursday. The day after that day? Friday. Aya, now, unajua rafiki yetu? Yes. Anaitwa nani? Matt. Oh, it's called Matt. Akambeji? Yes. So his name is Matt. Anaongea? No? Yes. Aya, we want to hear from him, eh? He comes from America. USA. So, nani anaongea sasa? Nani anaongea huko? Duo. Nitakukanyaga. So this is what happened. I've known Matt for so many years. He has been a very good friend of us, and he has really helped this school with so many projects with connection. And Matt has decided to come from America to come and see, to see what we are doing. And he has come with good news. He will tell you his name, his full name, where he comes from, and then after that, I'll tell you about something. Eh? Yes. So the water project you are seeing on the other side, he's the one who connected me with that guy and with that company that came to drill for us that borehole. Sindio? Nani anaongea? So he has been a very good friend of ours, and we tell him, unamwambia aje? We tell him welcome. Eh? So I want to take this special opportunity to have Matt say something, and then after that, akiongea uongee, mimi nakuja kulima teke. Sindio? So you keep quiet, you listen, and then I'll tell you something about Friday. You want to hear about Friday? Yes! So welcome, Matt. Say something.
Hi.
Hi. You want to hear your name?
My name is Matt Harvey. Nice to meet you.
Oh, you can hear? Yes. So, maybe you are pandering na toka wapi? Okay. Amesikia. He comes from America. He comes from America. He comes from America, and he has come to see what we are doing and volunteer with us. And he has come to take a lot of pictures. So if you want him to come to your place, you can get him. You can call him aside, then talk with him. Tell him that you want to go and see your home, and you prepare for him ugali and gimye. Sawa. So Friday is going to be a very great day. Friday we are going to have a fun day. Aya, sikiza, nani anaongea? So, Matt has decided, nani anaongea? Wewe. Matt has decided to buy for us a bull. You know a bull? Yes. Ametununulia ng'ombe. He has decided to buy for us 600 sodas, bottles of soda. Nani anaongea? So on Friday we are going to eat rice, cabbages, meat, and soda. Well, now on Friday, Skiza, we are going to have dancing competition. Catwalking. Sasa kila mtu akuje na nia catwalk sasa. Hakutumia catwalk. Na nataka kuona nani yake kama ndio. Sawa. Haya, nini nyingine? We are going to when you wanashinda tuwapatia eating competition will be there, sio? Yes. Okay, Mr. Haya, nyamazeni. Nani anaongea? Hi, if you're happy and you know, say amen. If you're happy and you know, keep quiet.
Keep quiet.
If you're happy and you know, don't laugh.
Don't laugh.
Now, as you have been told, on Friday, which day?
Friday.
Ensure that you come with your plate. And I don't know, Mr. Yes, uniform how much? Come with track suit. Alright, now listen. Listen. On Friday, please. For those who are catwalking, remember you are supposed to dress decently. Huh? Number 2, for those who are dancing, only 20. Number 3, every class will compete. You must have an item, not eating. You must have an item. Be it a dance, be it a traditional song, be it what. And for grade 4, come with traditional costumes. Grade 4, the one that you performed while you were in grade 3. Then for class 7 and 8. For class 7 and 8, please. Most likely the ones who will be catwalking. But ensure that the clothes that you carry, wewe, kashosho. Usizeeke hivyo. Now, for you to qualify for any event, number 1, you must be smart. For class 7 and 8, for you to qualify for any event, you must pass your exam. And that is on Thursday. And for those few remarks, may the best class and the best team win. I wish you all the best.
They are saying that they want to hear your
Your voice.
your voice. They want to know where you are coming from,